Hello guys, good morning. Good morning. It's Megan Ryan and I'm back with an amazing catch. Crazy, but I made a mistake shorting and then holding and I'm really glad I stopped out. Break even, imagine if I did not stop and imagine if I tried reshorting it. It could have been squeezed. Look at that move. Yeah, so because I have these levels here, 1380, 1370, opening price is about 1357, so around 1350-ish area. So at the open, it was kind of like weak actually. It opened right at the VWAP area. So this one, I was actually kind of thinking maybe I should short this opening price, and then I missed the whole move. So I waited a bit for a pullback, and then I shorted here 20 cents. I should be risking just this stop, even if it's a 20-cent risk, but man, look at that. It was really quick. I even canceled my stop order. That's because I said I saw this 1370 here, kind of like a level. I even added here. I didn't get filled, and then I just let it go. And then I thought it's really going to continue 1330. I took profit. It's not breaking it. And then I stopped out and it squeezed again. I said, okay, maybe it's going to retest the opening price. Maybe I'll reshort. That was my plan because I thought LCID is still going to continue to be weak. But it broke the VWAP and I said, okay, it's right back at the opening price. Because I was hoping just rejection of VWAP, right? But when it went to above VWAP, then I just, okay, maybe it's going to continue this squeeze here. And I took it long, took profit, slowly taking profit. I was going to stop out because I thought it's going to reject these two areas here. I can't remember where I got those. I got those levels from here. So here. So this level here and this level here. So kind of like a probably a aftermath. I was like, okay, so previous day kind of like support, came resistance. Yeah, so what else I did? So took profit, was taking profit here. Just I was trying my best not to take partial a lot. So I think I took 110% here, 125% here, and these are two 10%. And then another 10% here. I took half here and I added. My average was somewhere, I didn't want to get stopped because most of the time when I add, I get stopped. So I added a little bit, just a little bit. And then eventually I caught another move, which, you know, my shares were probably just not a lot, maybe 25% of my remaining. So sorry. Yeah, so I wish I held more shares, but you know, like who knows it's gonna continue that high, right? Normally it's probably gonna bounce and then, you know, like this is crazy move, $2.25. ATR of this is $1.50. So yeah, even like my target was here. If you know, if I was gonna take it long, my target was just right at $15, even pushed through that $15. So yeah, I was happy, really happy. It's a really good day. So yeah, let's watch. But before everything else, again, you know what to do. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and follow me on my social media accounts. Okay, let's watch. Okay, so I was mainly watching. Okay, that's too fast. I was mainly watching, as you can see here, LCID at this level here, 1380, 1370. Because LCID has no level at all. Like right, like below this, there's really no level. It's been the lowest of all time with LCID. So the only level I have is 1370 and this area. So this two area here, and VWAP. So I was kind of like short bias in this one, but it's an SSR. So I have to be really careful, like that what happened earlier, right? That squeeze. So let's see. Actually, I was watching here, but I took the let's see what happened. So as you can see here, there's really no volume, only 700,000. Oh, I was watching coin as well, but I did not trade coin because as you can see here, ATR is $13. That's crazy move. I have to trade really wide if I trade that, but I only traded it's just LCID. So it dropped right at the low of pre-market. Okay. So that was a crazy drop. And I said, okay, let's see what's gonna happen. So right at the first 3 minutes, I have 1.2 million now, 1.2 million volumes. It moved about 30 cents. Okay, so I can probably risk 20 cents on this trade if I'm gonna trade it. That's what's in my mind. Let's move here. Okay, I was actually looking because I missed this. It will be hard for you to short this as well because it's an SSR. Even you try to catch this short, you'll probably get filled somewhere at 50. So risk reward will probably not as good. And yeah, that's why I did not take it. If I want, I probably want this to be a long. But the thing is, it's kind of hovering around this area here at 42 low of pre-market. So I was actually watching 42. But there, I shorted it here when it popped, and then look what happened. I even canceled. So I'm down at this point, but I still have this 1380 and 1370 level. And I was like zooming out, seeing what's gonna happen, right? So that move was about, let's see, how much was that move? About 35 cents. Let's go back. See? And that's like 2 hour loss, right? I was risking 20 cents on this one and I held. I'm like, man, it's going to squeeze. If ever it makes new highs, I'm gonna stop at 80. I even tried to add there just to get out maybe at 50. I didn't get filled. Oh, and then I was like, wow, it's back. It's back to my break even. Should I get out now or should I wait? That's what I was thinking. So I'll probably risk this 42 now since it's back. Okay, so I took some off. Should have taken more in there because I was hoping for more downside. I did not take more because I'm pretty sure it's just gonna reverse. Yeah, so that's what happened. So I just stopped out. Whew. It's crazy, right? That's the thing. I don't like trading SSR stocks. It squeeze, man. It can squeeze. So it's back at the opening price. Was in my thought process was I'm probably gonna reshort if it holds this 57. If it tries maybe 2 candles here, but it did not. And then I see a really strong move to the upside. That's why I took it long. What was my risk? Yeah, my risk was 20 cents. Even rewind. Okay, so 60 at 20 cents. But I told myself I'm gonna stop at 50. I'm gonna stop at 50. So I'm slowly taking 10% here. That's a 25%. Yep, looking 25%. I said, okay, I'm gonna get stopped. Man. Okay. So I want this move to work, right? So I have these 2 levels here. It maintained those 2 levels. I didn't even want to add because I'll just focus on my trade right now. Focus on the adding later. So that's the move. Yep, 25%. So I took more than half already in the 2-to-1 move. Let's see. I did not expect this to move $2.50 basically. ATR of this is only $1.55. So 80-cent move for the day, 90-cent move for the day. Okay, so it's just slowly taking more partial, and I'm like strategizing where I will add just in case. So average is here. I still have a good amount of shares. Even a good profit. I was kind of like, I should have taken more because it probably goes in reverse at this previous day close. So it's kind of like talking to myself in my mind. This area will be nice to add. This 80-85 area, probably a good area to add, but I have to add carefully because if I added more, then it's going to stop me out. Right? Maybe I can fast forward this a bit. Okay. Okay, I'm in my ad area now, right? I told you earlier, this is probably a good area to add because this previous day closed. This is a level somewhere. Okay. I should have added here. But I was being careful because I always get stopped. Okay, so that's the ad. I said I will only take profit, maybe slowly taking profit at highs. And then 1450. So because I want to hold the shares that I have. I reached my goal already. So I can just play around with whatever I have left. Okay, let me fast forward this a bit because so my plan is to take 14.15 highs. This stock per candle can move about 20 cents. As you can see here from ATR, these are 20 cents. So every time it touched 20 cents, I take profit. Every time it squeezed 20 cents, I take profit. As you can see here, you can see it 15, 20. I should be taking here. I waited. Wow. That's a great move. Okay. Man, look at that. So every candle is moving 20 cents. 20 cents. Yeah. So we're about $1 move now. Still holding maybe last 10% shares. Yeah. Still good profit though, even it's last 10% because it's $1 move, right? Okay. So I said, okay, I'm just going to trail this, whatever shares I have. And it's moving. Wow, $1.35 move. Okay, I have 15 to fight off. 15.35, they should level at 15.35, probably 2 days ago low. Yep, it stopped me out. Because I just want to get stopped. I want to get this done. That's what's in my mind because I'm tired of watching it. So yeah. So let's see where it is now. Wow. What a move. What a move. So it's right at this level here now. Oh, this is a nice level. That's why it's rejecting. I think if it squeezes more at 1580, this is where you will be shorting hard. It squeezes more. That's a crazy move. Actually can do a starter here. Starter and then this is what, 50 cent. And we can slowly short it here. Where's it gonna move? Yeah. Wow. That's really steep. Yeah, it was an amazing trade. Thank you for watching. We're still surviving. I'm still happy. Tomorrow is Friday. I'll probably just take the day off tomorrow. Have a great week. I had a great week. The best week I think I had. Yeah, every day was a big winner. Every day until now. So probably tomorrow I'll take a day off. Whew. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.